Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili gobi. We'll start by preparing the cauliflower, ensuring it's perfectly crisp. Then, we'll craft a vibrant, flavorful sauce that brings all the elements together. Finally, I'll guide you through combining these components for an irresistible dish. Get ready to create a restaurant-quality appetizer right in your own kitchen. First, let's get our cauliflower ready for that signature crispiness. Take one medium cauliflower and break it into small, uniform florets. Blanch these in boiling water with a pinch of salt for about 2 to 3 minutes, then drain well. Next, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of corn flour with water to form a smooth batter. Coat each floret thoroughly, then deep fry them in hot oil until they are beautifully golden and wonderfully crispy. Now for the heart of our chili gobi, the sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Sauté 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add 1/2 cup of sliced spring onion whites and 1/3 cup of thinly sliced capsicum, stir-frying for about 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and salt to taste. It's time to bring it all together. Add your perfectly fried cauliflower florets directly into the simmering chili sauce. Gently toss everything, ensuring each crispy floret is beautifully coated in that vibrant, flavorful sauce. Continue to stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat, allowing the flavors to fully meld. Finally, garnish with 2 tablespoons of fresh spring onion greens. Serve your incredible chili gobi hot, and enjoy this delightful Indo-Chinese treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.